Hello world, today I will be working on the final portion of my object spawning agent. Last time I finished up getting the down direction all squared away, and this time I'm going to be working on the up direction. So with that, let's just jump right into it. Alright, so let's see here. Yeah, last time, I added the down pointer for going up. That's right. And yeah, I think I'm just going to reference the code I did for the left direction. So yeah, it's going to be similar to the down and similar to left. Code should be similar to those two things. So I guess, yeah, first things first here, I just need to, well, okay. Yeah, I'm probably going to copy this, get that. Get that straightened away first for the up direction. So yeah, this should be spawn object down is down there. So prep should be here. Then down is there. I don't need this anymore. Okay. And continue. I don't think I want to continue. Actually, yeah. I do want to continue all the way to the bottom. Actually, I wonder if this is an issue. Because if I jump, if I'm here and I jump all the way down, let me see what the next instance of this is. Yeah, here. I wonder if this is causing an issue. Yeah, because I encountered that bug in the last stream. I'm just wondering if... See, this is why I should probably just be debugging instead of trying to add this extra feature in. But I don't know, since this stuff is so similar, if there's an issue in one, I can easily fix it in the others. At least that's what my thinking is right now. Yeah. Oh, what am I saying? The continue is right here. This, man, I'm just being stupid. Okay. All right. I need to resolve these pointers in the up direction. So I'm just going to copy this and change it for the up. right. So this is, yeah, updating the left pointer. What did I name the other one? I said, looks like I didn't comment that the same way. Oh well. Let me just remove these. Actually, no, I should keep this. Yeah, get low byte of next x. All right, let me back up and think about this. So we're not in the x array anymore, we're in the y array. We're going up, and I need to get the y position because we're updating the first set of pointers. And I forgot if I called this the left pointer. So even though its orientation is vertical, I still like to think in terms of left and right. Yeah, I did. It's just y index pointer left, x index pointer left. Okay. Okay, so yeah, I have to load that guy in, who should be initialized to 0. Yeah, 0. And this also needs to be changed to y, and this needs to be changed to y. Yeah, so yeah, that looks correct. Yeah, get the low byte of the next y position of the object to spawn from the y sorted array. And this will be the same thing here, except it'll be the high byte instead of the low byte. And yeah, let me just make that change here, that change here. Okay. Yeah, okay, and this is going to pretty much be the start of the view, which is why I don't actually need to add anything. In fact, I don't need to manipulate x here. I'll just, might as well make it the accumulator. Okay. So this is looking right. I should check to see if I have that stupid breakpoint in here somewhere. I forgot what I called it. Was it CC? I may have actually removed it. Yeah, I kind of like just putting these no ops in here. Since they really are useless, I use them to just quickly mark my code for stuff. Okay. Now I need to find this thing again. Not there, not there, not there, not there. I really need to clean a lot of this up. Okay, yeah, here I was. So I'm just going to, where should I put you? After all this, I suppose. Okay. Okay, and this should be it for the up direction. So this should, what should I be reading here? I should be reading, what is my data? So the Y sorted array, that's right, going up. The initial value is just going to be 0, 0. Just so I know that I'm reading the right stuff here, I'm just going to type, I don't know, AA. And actually, hold on, this is the X position. I'll do AA and AB. Oh my gosh, that's right. I can't do it here. That's silly. I have to actually do it here. Let me actually just dump that. Copy that. Go here. Change this to AA. AB. Yeah, that looks correct to me. Okay. Okay, yeah, that's right. Okay. Okay. Build. Label already defined at 11785. Oh yeah. I guess I'll just change this to update up pointer going up. Okay. Exit and build. And now I just want to put that guy in there. And if I go up, okay, looks like it's reading in 0, which is not what I wanted. So let me check to make sure. Okay, continue. Okay. All right, and let me just back up here. So I've got that pointer, which should be initialized to 0. So if if I keep going back, yeah, load y. So y is 0, y is 0. Okay, yeah, it's AA. Okay, so that was correct. AA is the low. Then I loaded the other value, the camera position, which looks like it's 037A. So this, yeah, this actually looks correct. Okay. I was going to be very surprised if that was wrong. But, oh my God. Yeah, okay. All right. Okay, so that's correct. That means I can move on to the next thing. So yeah, first objective is just to check the bounds going up. This will be a little tricky to test. Again, since we start up here, idea is when we go up, yeah, we have to modify this. I'm wondering if I should pause development on this and actually focus on updating the up pointer when going down. I think I'm going to do that first. That way it makes it easier to test when after I've proceeded to go down and when I go back up. So yeah, I'm just going to do that. So this is fine, but I need to update the up pointer when I'm going down, which is like updating the left pointer when I'm going right. So I can just copy that code that I already wrote. Which should be somewhere around, yeah, it looks like this thing. Update left pointer. Yeah, it's all of this stuff. All of this. That just has to get thrown over to the down direction. Up, down. Okay. Okay, update up pointer, update up pointer going down. Okay, so world spawn Y, index pointer left. Yeah, we're going down, so yes, this makes sense that we would increment it. Then yeah, we load that value. What did I write here? No object can spawn at high location FF. I'm using this so I don't need to store the size of the object array. Oh. These are these terminating things that I added. Okay, so this is comparing a literal value. Yeah. Right, and if it equals to that, we don't do anything. We just go to continue, which I should probably add. I wonder where I added this in the other one. Yeah, where did I add for the down direction in, or for the left direction and right? Where was my continue? Yeah, right above it. Okay, I figured as much. So I was updating the code for the up and the down. Up and the down. Yeah, right here. Okay. So yeah, load the y index going left, increment it. Because we're looking at the next one, our current one plus 1, and we're checking that literal value to see if it's the edge. If it's the edge, we continue. Now we have to check now we have to check the low byte of the next y position of the object to spawn in the y sorted array. So I just need to change this to y and this to y, and that gets stored there in arg1, and I need to change this. That gets stored in arg2. I should probably update the comment here. Okay. Yeah, and I'm loading this here. So I have to be careful because the x and y are different typically in this regard. Yeah, going down, and I want to update the y pointer. I don't think I need to add the screen height here. No, I don't. I just need to change this to y. Yeah, because what this is referring to is, yeah, this, where is it? This camera Y low, camera Y high. It's referring to this point right here in the view. And when we're going down, I've got all these points that I'm checking up against. And since this is the up direction, I need to be anchored to the top. And as soon as I pass something like this, then I have to update to, then I update the next to this. So this is not queued up until this gets below it, and then it points to that. So that's what that's doing. That's why that has to be there. Then I do my 2-byte comparison. And I have to increment this Y one. Okay. Yeah, this one's a lot simpler because this does not worry about actually spawning anything. So it's just primarily concerned with updating the pointer to stay within proper bounds when the camera moves. And I think, I wonder if this is causing that other issue I found of jumping back up. If I should be doing that or not. Yeah, I don't know. Whatever, that's something I'll have to worry about when I actually start debugging this thing. For now, I'm just going to continue to chug along. I need to test this. So, yeah, right now this should actually be updating my pointers properly. So let me test that to confirm. Okay, no error. Okay. Where's my memory view? I need that. That thing is very useful to me. Okay. All right. So I want to see this thing update when I go down. Okay. Okay, yes. Okay, yes. Just so that this is clear. Okay. So I should see that object spawn. Oh, it's already spawned there. And yeah, this is pointing to 0 still because this thing is still on screen, but as soon as it goes off screen, yeah, it should go to 1 like it just did there. And then this should be 3. So that thing spawned. Kind of can see it right there. And this should not update until that thing is above our screen. Boom. And it did that. So now if I go up, yeah, it's not decrementing now when I go up because I have not coded that functionality yet. But this thing needs to be popping these things off as they come down. So this thing looks like it's working so far, so let's continue making progress on this. So yeah, this looks like it's working. And this looks like it's commented correctly. Uh-huh. Yep. Uh-huh. Should probably also before I forget, I should change this data back, because what I'm about to work on depends on this actually being 0, 0. Okay. Okay. Go to that label. All right, so yeah, so I had gotten the pointer, the right pointer of the array. No, the left pointer. The right pointer is going down, the left pointer is going up. Yeah, I got the left pointer of the array. And dereferenced here to get the value of the low and the high. Then I captured the camera's low and high Y position. Now I just have to compare them to see if I'm within range. So I was looking at the left direction is most similar to the up. So let me look at the compare for the left that I did. Yeah, just simple 2-byte comparison. And then, okay, yeah, let me grab the 2-byte comparison. And continue is way down. Oh, the end, really? Okay. Continue. Okay. All right, just to make sure that this is correct, I'm going to leave this in here and catch myself. So this should trigger when I'm within the range, when I'm going up. Yeah, so let me build this. Okay, assembled. Go here, continue, add breakpoint. Okay, so that breakpoint should only trigger when I'm going up and those things are within range. So boom. Yep, that checks out. And yeah, that guy's always, okay, yeah, within range. And yeah, we're always pointing to that guy. Okay. Okay, so that, I think that's right. All right. Yeah, so then I have to do the secondary check. This again is, I'm just pulling it from the left direction code and modifying it. So here, yeah, I'm just going to have to do this except for X. Yeah. And I'm trying to think what this is doing. So yeah, this decrements the pointer, which makes sense. Okay, then it compares against that edge point. No reset. Oh. Should I be doing that? Don't know if I should even be doing that. I feel like what I had before was better. Where it stops it before it even hits there. Well, yeah, wondering if this is what's causing issues. Because I load the pointer after I decremented it. And this is the left pointer. And I'm comparing to FF. Meaning it's overflowed. And I'm just hammering it and saying, no, you stay at 0. Oh, whatever. I'm not sure if it's necessary, but yeah, I wrote it for a reason. Okay. Up. I guess I'll do it right here. Now this has to change to Y. This has to change to Y. And this actually has to change to X. And this has to change to X. Yeah, and I can get rid of I think I can get rid of that. I can get rid of these. Load, store, store, load, store, store. Yeah, get the high byte. The next X position in the Y sorted array. That's what that's doing. And this is now the Y. And yeah, that hard resets it. If it goes beyond, Let's see here. Yeah, so that should be now actually decrementing that pointer. Yeah, so when it goes up, it decrements, which is what it's supposed to do. That's that. So it's a screen comparison is what I did next. Yeah, add size of the screen. And that is done. To figure out if it's in range. So this should actually be simpler. Which makes me wonder. Yeah, because I'm going up. Yeah, in the down direction when I did this. Yeah, I had to do this. Yeah, that's one of the differences because you have to add the screen height. Yeah, here it's easier because here you don't have to worry about that. And in here, for this, it's the X that I'm adding. And for the X, I don't need to add that like that. The X is simple enough where just increment it. Like so. Yeah, add size of X. Ugh. Okay. And then compare. And then this is the high side, and this is the low side of that window. I guess just to illustrate what the hell this is doing. This comparison here is just checking it's taking this point and I add like the width of the screen, which gets me exactly over here. And all I do to do that is I just take the current high value and just add 1 to it. So like, I don't know, if the position was, you know, like OE45, if that's the camera position, then this edge, its exact value should be OF45. So that's why I do that. That's why I just increment X here. There's no fancy math that has to be done. And so that gives me this window side, and I'm just checking if the object, if the thing I'm supposed to be spawning when I'm going in the up direction, if it's going to be less than this and if it's greater than this. If these two conditions are met, then I spawn it. So that's what's happening here. Yeah, so once those conditions are met, then I'm just going to spawn. So I'm just going to copy the code that I already had written previously. Oh, I didn't remember my lesson from last night. I still have to change these arguments around since the X and Y are flipped. I'll have to do that. Ugh, ugh, ugh. Yeah, that is annoying. I guess I'll just, what should I do? Guess I'll just, well, for now I'm just going to copy this. Yeah, I should just copy this. I'm just going to copy all of this. Okay. Dump it. All right. I already lost where I dumped this. Yeah, up here. Okay. I just pasted this whole page of stuff. Okay, this I can delete. This I can delete. This I will delete. Okay. 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 Yeah, disable spawning. That's correct. Man, I'm trying to remember. Since I'm in the Y direction, I need to worry about not its current Y position, but its current X position. So, So I'm thinking this needs to be X. I think that needs to be X there. If I check this here, it's probably the same thing. It's probably X. Yeah, X. So I will change that to X. Basically, this is just this now. Object X position minus camera X equals on screen X. And yeah, only low bytes needed. I don't know if this is gonna... This value actually might have to be FD minus 16? Which is 10? Which is ED? I don't know. When I run it, I'll see if that's correct or not. Okay, yeah, this needs to be Y. This needs to be Y. This needs to be Y. This stays the same. This object spawnable array. Yeah, and if it's 0, then we continue. If not, we don't spawn. Then we load 1 into here. Yeah, I was thinking about like changing this somehow. Like instead of storing this useless 1 in here, I was thinking like you could maybe store like some kind of data that's like unique to, well, it has to be non-zero data though. Like I was thinking, I don't know, you could have like states, like the states of that object. So you'd have some finite state machine. The maximum number of states would be 255. And you could use that as this marker, because right now I'm just basically wasting a whole byte by just chucking in data saying there's something here. It'd be more efficient to actually reuse this space and utilize it for something else, like the state of the object. But for now, I mean, yeah, it's just 1. Just, hey, there's something here. It's been spawned. But I guess there would be a con to that. Like, if you were to despawn the object, you would lose the state, which I would think shouldn't matter. I don't know. It's not as flexible. You kind of couple that functionality to this spawnable thing, which maybe isn't wise, but when you're working with such limited space, it's stuff you have to consider. Okay. All right, yeah, disable spawning. All right. I suppose suppose I should... I should go and invert these things like I did for the other one. Yeah, I think it was temp 2 and temp 3 and temp 4 and temp 5. Everything else should stay the same. 6 and 7. 6 is... Alright, do I have to flip 6 and 7? I might have to do that too. Did I flip them down here? I think I did. Yeah. Well, no? 6, 7? Object screen. No, yeah, okay, no. 6 and 7 stay the same. No, they are flipped. What am I saying? This one is flipped. Okay. Yeah. 7. 6. I feel like I'm missing something here. This is the downside when you just copy and paste stuff. It's not like it... stuff is flowing in your mind. Have to kind of reload it. arg1x6. arg1x6. Okay. All right, 2 and 3, 4 and 5. 4 goes to 5, 2 goes to 3. 5 goes to 4, 3 goes to 2. Okay. Okay. Fingers crossed. Okay, play, enter. Should I just look at my memory view? I'm going to test that first. That's the easiest thing. Just testing the index pointers. Okay. Now does it decrement? Yes. Yes, that is decrementing. Goes up to 2 and goes back down to 0. So that's working. Now I need to actually see if it spawns in the up direction, as it is clearly spawning in the down. Because I don't need the debugger open for this. Okay, so let me go way over here. See if I can navigate myself to the right position. Okay, how can I get past this? Can I go here? Yes. All right. Oh my god, I need to fix this bug, whatever the hell this is. Okay. Yeah, I'm thinking it has to do with hitting the edge of the screen. Something's just messed up. Okay. I don't see anything. Yeah, it's something to do with the edge of the screen. Don't see anything there. I don't see anything there. So something is wrong. I wonder what it is. I really do need to fix that bug. Okay. Okay, so this works. Going in the down direction. Okay, this bug is really frustrating. Yeah, what the hell? So annoying. Why does it do that? It's not when I go left. It's when I go right. Something to do with going right just sends that pointer off like into a frenzy. I'm not sure why. Why does it do that? Why does it do that? Is my down direction even fully working? Okay, yeah, he spawns. Barely. Do this again. Yeah, that works, but if I go over here, I come up here, nothing. What is causing this issue? What am I doing wrong? Yeah, okay. Suppose I should ask myself if I'm, well, yeah, am I even hitting this thing at the right time? Should I investigate that first? Am I hitting the spawn object? Oh man. Yeah, let me just add that here. Okay. Now I need my debugger back open. Okay. Okay. Right. To get over this. No. No, it's not even getting there. Okay. So if it's not even getting there, not even hitting this thing, which must mean that this condition is not being satisfied. Loading that world spawn y index pointer left, because it's the up direction. Increment it. Increment it. Should I be incrementing this? Or should I be decrementing that? No, I need to be incrementing it. That's correct. Yeah, because the left one goes to the right. World spawn Y, object ID low. Okay. Transfer that to Y. Oh, goodness me. Think. Check. Yeah, the object is already spawned. But I know it's hitting, I know it's hitting here, right? Like it's hitting that. If it's not hitting that, then I really have a big problem. Because I thought it was hitting there. What? Why am I seeing you down there? That's not right. What What the hell is going on here? Okay. I thought I had this hitting that. I thought I had this thing. What the heck? Why is this not working? I thought I had this squared away. Add size of X, yeah. And yeah. Yeah, this is the low of X, and this is the high of X. Yeah, temp 2 should have... Temp 2 is the high of X. That is the high of X. Temp 4 is the low of X. Temp 4 is the low of X. This looks correct. Why is this not being triggered? Why is this not being triggered? Why is this not being triggered? Game, power cycle, play. Screw it. I'm just gonna go down normally. Not even triggered now? Not even triggered then? That should have definitely triggered this. Like, it's definitely hitting that. It's definitely hitting the pointer here. That pointer section of code is being hit. It's incrementing that. Yeah, I go up. Get this. So this is definitely being hit. This is just basically resetting the Y pointer. Do I need to invert this? I don't think so. BCS, BCC. What the heck? BCS, BCC, BCS, BCC. Yeah. BCS, BCC. Like, that is correct. I think I'm just gonna have to put a breakpoint in here. I can't. I don't see. I thought I had this squared away. Okay. Build this. Build. Here. Run. Start. Okay. Oh, duh. Let me actually put the breakpoint in. Okay, so we get there. Not X. Oh, unless my camera X position is like screwy, which I guess I will find out right now. ARG1. ARG1. FB. All right. Okay, so got past that. Wait. What is this? Load, compare. Load. Compare BE. Oh. That should not be Y, I don't think. I think that needs to be X. Yeah, that needs to be X. I shouldn't be comparing the Y position here. That doesn't make any sense. So that needs to be X. And that needs to be X. So that should take care of that issue. Okay. I'm pretty confident this will work. I hope. Who knows? There's probably something else I've screwed up. And I should probably... okay, yeah. actually. If I'm going to do this, I have to go over here. Here. Up here. Oh, hey, hey. Look at that. Hello. Okay, so I'm still running into that other bug that I need to fix. Looked like this guy had spawned correctly, but I don't think the other guy did. But that's a lot better progress than, or that's progress, I should say. Yeah, so this guy's the top one. And yeah, he's the bottom one. So when I reset this, and I go all the way around here, bottom one. Stupid thing. Yeah, I'm not, it's like I'm not within the zone. Whatever X zone that is. Yeah, I really need to fix this bug. This is just really frustrating. For some reason, yeah, okay. God damn it, I already spawned him. Way over here. Yes. I wonder if I can I just do this? No. Oh, no, yes. Yes. Okay. So I think their positioning is off. Which is something I'll have to fix. Like I fixed in the last one for the left and right direction. Okay. So if I paste that there, power cycle, and I go down here, like, yeah, that is off, all right. But I think this is just a static value. So I think I just need to hard code the offset properly, which shouldn't be too hard to do. Now, yeah, it is kind of getting late, so I think I'll stop here. Spawning is essentially working in left and right and up and down. I still need to test simultaneous direction movement and see how spawning works there. It should work. Shouldn't be an issue with it because I do lock things out once they've been spawned. So I shouldn't have a problem there, but I definitely do need to fix this weird issue where my index pointers go berserk and just get caught in a loop incrementing, which I have a feeling has to do with being at the edge of the screen and like some kind of weird edge cases emerging there. Yeah, but I think this is a good stopping point for tonight. All right, till next time. See you later.